In this video, I'll show you how to use the memory feature in Claude AI. This feature helps Claude remember helpful details about you so your conversations can be more personalized. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main dashboard. First, I'll move my cursor to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on my profile icon or name to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, I'll click Settings to open the Settings panel. Inside the Settings window, I'll look for the section related to memory or personalization. If the memory feature is available, I'll see a toggle switch that allows Claude to remember certain preferences or information from my conversations. To enable the feature, I'll simply click the toggle switch so that memory is turned on. Once it's enabled, Claude can remember helpful details from my chats, such as my preferences, writing style, or recurring tasks. If I ever want to review or manage what Claude remembers, I can return to the memory settings section, where I may be able to view, edit, or remove saved memories. After enabling the feature, I can close the settings panel and continue chatting with Claude as usual. And that's it, I've successfully enabled and started using the Claude AI memory feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.